Hey guys, I'm Tap, the Artistic Pixel, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm just going to be solving the 2x2 by 2. Don't forget there's another 2. Because I hear a lot of the time, I just hear people say 2x2. But if it was a 2x2, then it'd be 2-dimensional. So, don't forget the last 2. It's a 3-dimensional object. It has 3 dimensions, X, Y, and Z. I'm a nerd. Okay, so, I'm just going to attempt to speed solve this. I'm not very fast, but you know, I'm gonna solve it anyways. 2x2x2 is pretty easy, so there will be more cubing videos too. I just got into Rubik, I just got into cubing just a little bit ago, like yesterday actually. So yeah, just gonna start here. Okay. Probably won't talk much because there's nothing really to talk about when solving. Okay. That's not what I was supposed to do. Okay. Okay. I do know some algorithms for this. Okay. Okay, that's there. Dang it. Okay, I do like algorithms in the worst way possible, so don't judge how I don't do things, because I don't do things very efficiently. Okay. Okay, there you go. That's one solve of the Rubik's Cube. And you guys can tell me how long I took in the description, but my fastest time is 15 seconds and 27 milliseconds. So that 15.27 seconds. So that is my fastest time. This took me a little bit longer, but 2x2s are pretty easy. I'm just gonna mix it up again here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm not very fast, like I said. It's just fun. It's just all I care about is it's just fun to do. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 solves. This is gonna be my second solve. Okay. That was easy. Okay. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Wow. Could have been done there, but no. Just decided to be mean. Okay. So, okay. Let's see. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have to do not that. So there, that's my second solve. And that one took me a little bit longer than my other one, just because, but I think it turned out fine. Anyways, if you're wondering what this is my lamp. It just it's better lighting, I guess. I mean, the lighting isn't good anyways, but who cares? This is what it looks like without both of my lamps. I actually have 2 lamps. That one and that thing. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know. But yeah, so you know, if you did enjoy, leave a like. And if you didn't enjoy, then tell me what you didn't enjoy in the comments and fix it for next time. And if you want me to do more cubing, tell me in the description. But if no one says anything, then I'm just gonna keep doing it. If people say no, I'm still gonna keep doing it because I like doing it. Sorry, it's not gonna be every video though, just to let you know. I'm still gonna do my other stuff too, but I'm just in the mood of Rubik's cubes. Yes, and they're fun. Okay, I'll see you later, Pixels.